So in this video we're going to talk about the COPCOR error of commission, omission and all. So you know the COPCOR showing it. This is commission, error of omission, error of principal, error of reversal is here, error of compensating, and this is original entry. Let's talk about one by one. Omission, completely you forgot to put the entry into the day books. There is the original entry. Yeah, I forgot to drag it at the top. Original entry is a bad figure. Original entry, you write the wrong amount, we call it bad figure. For example, 54 you have written as 45. Commission, when you write wrong into the wrong account, you better write same category or same type, correct type, same type, wrong account. For example, rent you paid but you put into the wages account, so one expense into the another expense, or one asset into the another asset. That is commission. How about principal? This is completely different category of account, wrong type of account. When you put one type into the another type, such as rent is an expense but by mistake you put into the property account. That is that. Reversal, when you do debit into credit, credit into debit. Yeah, for example, sales by check should have been sales credit bank debit, you did sales debit bank credit. And compensating, when coincidentally two error cancel each other out, such as debit shown higher by £100 and credit shown higher by £100, like sales overstated and purchases overstated with the same amount of money. These are your COPCOR error. And remember, COPCOR, if it happens your trial balance is still balanced, it will not cause imbalance. In this illustration, we're going to do the calculations, what should be the correction, what you did wrong, and all the talkie you're going to do in the next video.